Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting exact assets: a vector Trackhawk logo, brand hex codes, and any sponsor text. Once done, define the CPM targets and acceptable ad formats: 300x 250, 728x 90, or HTML5 rich media, because format drives file optimization. Make sure to set realistic CPM and placement priorities. This guides image compression, animation length, and tracking pixels. Don't stall on preferences. Pick formats and a budget now so you can focus on building optimized creatives that meet ad platform limits. You now construct the creative. Start with layout. Ensure the Trackhawk logo has consistent clear space and high contrast. This preserves brand recognition. Then optimize. Export vectors for scaling. Use 72 dpi PNG or JPG for bitmaps, and compress aggressively but check for artifacts. Smaller file sizes reduce CPM. Once variants are ready, embed tracking pixels and click-through links and prepare a /b test groups. These choices reduce load time and improve viewability, which in turn lowers effective CPM and boosts campaign performance. You finish by packaging everything for the ad server and running strict QA. Upload all formats and include fallbacks. Validate on major browsers and mobile, check viewability, and ensure tracking fires. Once validated, launch with a controlled budget and monitor impressions, click-through rate, and CPM closely. If CPM is too high, lower bids, swap to higher-performing placements, or compress creatives further. Troubleshooting tip: if tracking fails or CPM spikes, rerun pixel diagnostics and revert to the last known good creative while isolating the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.